Today's lesson is on rolling and adding numbers. I'm Miss Gail.
I'm Miss Perry.
And we have two wonderful helpers today. We have Isabella. Hi, Isabella.
Hi.
And we have Jonathan. Hello, Jonathan.
Hello.
What we're going to do first is we are going to roll the dice. Isabella, could you please roll your dice and count the dots?
Sure. 1, 2, 3.
All right. Can you find the number 3 and put it in the right place?
Sure.
That's a girl. Can you put up 3 fingers?
Sure. 1, 2, 3.
Perfect. Jonathan, can you please roll your dice and count the dots?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. And can you put up 4 fingers, please?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfect. Isabella, can you count all of the fingers starting on the left?
Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So what number are we going to put there, Isabella?
7.
That's a girl. All right, Jonathan, can you read this addition sentence? Ready?
3 plus 4 equals 7.
Perfect.
Okay, Jonathan, now can you roll your dice and count the dots on it?
Yes.
Thank you.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. Can you find the number 5 and put it in the right spot?
Yes. 5.
Good. And then can you put up 5 fingers for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Isabella, can you roll your dice and count the dots for us?
Sure. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. Can you find the number 4 and put it in the right spot?
Sure.
And 4 fingers, please.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Jonathan, can you count all those fingers that are up and tell me what number that is?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good, correct. And Isabella, can you find the number 9 and put it where it belongs?
Sure. There you
That's
go.
perfect. And then Jonathan, can you read our number sentence for us?
Yes. 5 plus 4 equals 9.
That is correct. Thank you.
Isabella, would you like to roll your dice and count the dots, please?
Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Can you put the correct number in the correct area? The
Sure.
correct flower?
6.
Mm-hmm.
And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Perfect. Jonathan, can you roll your dice and count your dots, please?
Yes. 1, 2.
Mm-hmm. Can you put up the correct amount of fingers?
Yes. 1, 2.
All right. Isabella, can you count all the fingers starting on the left?
Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Can you put the right answer on the flower?
Sure.
Very nice. Jonathan, can you read this addition sentence by yourself?
Yes. 6 plus 2 equals 8.
Perfect. All right, you two.
Okay, Jonathan, can you roll your dice and then count the dots?
Yes. 1, 2.
Perfect. Can you find the number 2 and put it in its spot?
Yes.
And then how many fingers are you going to put up?
2.
Nice.
1, 2.
Good. Isabella, can you roll your dice and then count the dots?
Sure. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Nice. And find the 6.
There.
Good. Then put up how many fingers?
6.
Nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good.
6 fingers.
Jonathan, can you count all those fingers for us?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good. And can you find the number 8 and put it in the right spot?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, Isabella, can you read our number sentence for us?
Sure. 2 plus 6 equals 8.
Yes, very good. Would you guys like to play a game?
Yes.
Okay, how about we're going to put up numbers and fingers, and you're going to have to tell us if they match.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Close your eyes. Okay, you guys, open your eyes. Tell us where it is wrong.
This is 3 fingers, but that says 2.
That's good. Can you put in the right number?
Sure. The 3 should go right there.
Okay, Jonathan, when you're looking at our sentence, can you find any more mistakes?
Yes. There's 2 fingers up, but 1 right here. There we go.
Good. That is good. Okay, Isabella, look at that number sentence. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell us the number sentence?
Sure. 3 plus 2 equals 5.
That is correct. Good job, guys.
Okay, would you like to do it one more time, see if we can find any mistakes?
Yes. Sure.
Right. Okay, Miss Perry and I made some mistakes. Natalie, can you find one of the mistakes?
Yes. This is 2 fingers, but a 6 is there. That 6 is in the wrong place. That 2 should be there.
Okay. Jonathan, can you find another mistake?
Yes. 5 fingers are up, but 8 is right here.
There you go.
There we go.
Perfect. And Isabella, can you see, is that the correct answer?
No.
No. Can you count the fingers and tell us the correct answer?
Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Can you fix the answer?
Sure. And there you go. The 7 should be on the flower.
Jonathan, can you please point and read that addition sentence?
Sure. 2 plus 5 equals 7.
You are exactly right. All right. This concludes our lesson on roll and add. Thank you for helping us, Isabella.
You're welcome.
Thank you for helping us, Jonathan.
You're welcome.
Thank you for watching.
To create